What's up, guys? Just want to jump on here and first of all say thank you guys. We've hit 1,000 followers now on TikTok. It means the world to me. Can't do it without you guys' support. And update everybody on the next phase of the build on the truck. We're about to start doing tires and wheels this week, over the next week or two. So we're going to be doing 35-inch Toyo RT Pros along with Relations Race Wheels, the RR7s. We are going to be doing the bead lock. The bead locks won't be coming in until January, so I have it set up regular for the moment, but they are hybrid wheels, so that's going to be really awesome to be able to air down with those. Also, Chassis Unlimited has sent me a bumper. We're going to be doing their Rugged Terrain Series high clearance front bumper. Super pumped about that. It's a really good looking bumper. And also going on that bumper, OpenRoad's reached out with me to do a 12K winch from them, along with all their recovery straps and connect ropes. So we'll be testing those in the next few weeks on the next trip we do. Also, SXTH Element is sending me some products. We're going to be testing out their intake along with their bed step relocation bracket, because I've now got the Lexland bed step on the truck, but I had to lose my ARB tow hook to do so. So I'm glad to get my tow hook back and still have a bed step. Along with their axle dump exhaust from SXTH Element. I'm really pumped about that because my tailpipe's already crushed from going off-road as it is. So we'll be getting rid of the spare tire because it won't fit anymore, along with the tailpipe. So we'll have a lot more clearance into the rear of the truck. So just a lot of things coming up over the next couple of weeks, getting ready for a trip around Christmas. Trying to find us some snow. So if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Helps me out to make these videos. Tune in for all this content. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of installs going on over the next probably about 2 weeks. Hopefully have all this knocked out. And planning a trip for Christmas to find some snow, and then again late January we're going to be going back up to the Smoky Mountains and doing the Smoky Mountain 1000. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching.